Oh man, no sound. That sucks. 4 minutes of no sound. Wow. That sucks. Alright guys, we got sound. Now I gotta start all the way over. Holy crap. That's what I get for trying to go live on a laptop in the car, and I'm like burning up alive. Alright, let me start over. Sorry about that. Somebody type in the video later when the video actually starts, or I'll try to do it. So Typhoon Danis, they're calling it a water bomb expected nationwide. Pretty crazy name, huh? Water bomb. Just more of the programming. What I was getting into is before they get into this water bomb information, they're talking about the cases of the infectious diseases. 332 cases of the infectious diseases. And they're talking about the mosquitoes and all that crap, and they're wanting them to get the vaccinations. But what they're saying is this typhoon is it's not going to be a typhoon though, it's just like a tropical storm, monsoon. But it's supposed to dump, some areas are expected to receive 700 millimeters of rain along with wind. And as I was trying to show you, but you guys didn't get to hear me, the atmospheric river is running the wrong way over here. Earlier this year, I talked about how India and China were running a new weather program to steer the atmospheric river. If you look, this whole atmospheric river should be running from east to west, and it is. It is all the way till you get over here towards India. It's running backwards. It's running backwards and right up into this storm. Look, they're pulling every bit of moisture into this storm. Let me get back over to the worldview map. Let me go back to the 14th. Everybody that was with us during the broadcast, I told you, look at this aerosols that were being deployed all the way from India, across Thailand, and all the way up into Japan. I mean, that was one of the biggest spraying operations going on, and as you go forward each day, they kept spraying right out in front of this system, like heavy. Like that's how they're steering it. They're putting the metals in there, and then they're completely bombarding it all the way around. Now it's all, I mean, everything's all synthetic skies. When you take a look at the Ram slider, it's all fake clouds. It was all man-made. And we're just showing, I mean, these none of these clouds on this whole picture right here are normal clouds. These are all synthetic man-made chemtrails, ship tracks, all the above. But yeah, I thought it was pretty crazy. They called this a water bomb. Anyway, it was just popping off a short video here. Go check out Richie from Boston's latest video. He got on to that the lying serial brain 2 guy. So that's cool. Anyway, guys, I'll be on tonight. Much love out there. Just doing a little quickie here. I'll type in the information when the video actually starts, man. I know it's pretty far in there. So anyway, guys, much love. I'm going to get back to work. We'll see you tonight. Be safe out there. Water bombs, man. What the hell? Water bombs.